Welcome back, everybody. So today we're gonna be showing you more in depth of what this grill has. My name is RJ. This is Beginning of Outdoors. All right. So the first things I'm going to show you are the new things that they added to the Sportsman Edition previous version. First things first, right off the bat, they added a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to this grill, and the first time I tried the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi was on the Pro Series, and it's nice because you connect it to your phone. I can go to the store and still monitor the grill from my phone. So having that peace of mind that I can go somewhere and I can keep an eye on what's going on my grill. So the Sportsman, this new Sportsman Edition, they added the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to the grill. Also, something that's different is how you open the grill up. Normally you have just open it up like this, but this one has it just slides back a little bit. So it's pretty cool how they did this one. Also, another cool feature they added is the spice rack. So you can add your rubs and stuff like that on this little rack right here. Now, for a normal size rub, I would say you probably fit maybe 5 in there, but it just makes it easy to have your rubs right there next to your grill. Another cool thing they added on this one that I didn't know it had till I put it together, and I'm like, what is this? They added a stainless steel side shelf with tool hookups, so you can add your tongs and all that stuff here on the side. But this side shelf here is the stuff that you can take it off, bring it to your table, put your meat in there, or after you season your meat, put it in that shelf and bring it out. This is something cool. I liked it, and it's something that I would definitely be using a lot to transfer my meat from wherever I'm adding my rub to the grill, and then you can set it right here aside to it. So this is pretty cool. I said this was a great idea that they have. And so now let's look into the cooking. How much area do you have to cook? Well, on this one you have 1,598 square inches of cooking space. So they give you 3 racks. So this grill has 3 racks, and so there's 3 versions of this, which goes from the big one is this one, and they have a real small one. But it's one of those things where you have to figure out how big of a grill do you want. It's just depending if you're going to be cooking for a get together, a party, or if you're only going to be cooking just for yourself and your family, your wife. Something small, then you keep it small. But if you're ever going to be thinking about doing a get together, you might want to go with the bigger version. Now, something like this big is nice because if I want to do a big turkey, this will be no problem putting the turkey in there. And I'll be doing a couple of those videos coming up this fall with this grill, because like I said, the size of it is nice. When I first started the channel, I had a Traeger, and it was hard to fit in like a turkey. Couldn't really fit in there unless I kind of squeezed the thing in there. But sometimes you think, oh, I'll go some small, but then later on you're gonna want to do something big, and they won't let you do it because it's too big for that little grill. So sometimes it's better just to go ahead and get a big one. Now, this is something that I'm gonna need your guys' help. Now, this is the first grill that actually has it, and it's the P setting. Now, what I heard about it is the P setting is you can go up or down. Depending on where you go, you get more smoke coming out of your grill. So for all you people that have been using a grill with the P setting, let me know down in the comments, how do you use it? What settings are you guys using it to get that good smoke flavor on your meat? What setting do you create more smoke? That's the one that I'm looking for. So if you've been working at it, make sure you guys leave a comment of what settings do you guys, or try to kind of explain how the P settings work. Like I said, I'm new to this whole P settings. The other 2 grills, the Pro Series of the Pit Boss, didn't have the P setting. The Traeger that I had didn't have the P setting. This is the first time. Let me know in the comments what settings you guys have it and how does it work. And then of course, the biggest thing that the Pro Series had, and this one has it now too, that I think is one of the things that if I'm buying a grill, this is where the first thing I'm looking at to make sure it has it. And it's cleaning the fire pot. Now this one has a compartment down here where you can just unhook it, slide it out, and it just comes out. And then it makes cleaning the fire pot really easy instead of taking everything out just to clean the fire pot. So having added this is great. So if you're looking to buy a new grill and it doesn't even have this, I want to reconsider what you want to get and look for one of those grills that have that, because believe me, it makes it easy to clean it out. And normally when I had a grill that didn't have it, I would clean it out I would clean the fire pot like every 4 cooks, 5 cooks, depending how long they were. Now that I have this feature, I do it every other cook, or every cook sometimes. Because like I said, it takes not even a minute to take it out, dump it out, and put it back in there. And bam, you're good to go. And then of course, this one also has the front shelf. That's also a nice touch. I use it a lot on my Pro Series. So having this front shelf is nice because you can put whatever you're carrying over, you can leave it there. But like I said, having that side stainless steel shelf now on this one, I'm gonna use that a lot more. Of course, this one has a 30-pound hopper. Now, if you're doing those long cooks, having a 30-pound hopper is gonna come in handy. Especially doing those long cooks like a brisket that could be taking 15 hours, 16, 17 hours. Something that you normally leave overnight, fill that bad boy up. You ain't gotta worry about if it runs out of pellets throughout that whole cook, because you have 30 pounds of pellets in there. And also the nice little touch is they added this bottle opener, because come on now, if you don't have a beer when you're grilling, are you really grilling? They added this bottle opener here, beer opener. Me that I drink Modelos, having one of those by my side of my grill, it was perfect. It was a nice touch to it. So having this is cool. And also, of course, they have the flame broil here. If you want to sear your steaks, your meat, it has the same as the Pro Series that I have. This one has it too. It has this little lever here that you open, and it opens up this right here, so the fire can come out. And you can put your meat over that, and it creates a nice sear to it. And it is a game changer, but there is a downside by having this. Is you will need to buy a heat deflector, because the middle part is more hotter than the rest of the part because the fire's right underneath there. On my Pro Series, I got a heat deflector that I put it on top of the fire pot because to be realistic, you don't use the flame broil as much as just doing your normal smoking. I probably smoke 15 times and I'll use the flame broil twice. So buying a heat deflector for it and just taking it off whenever you're going to sear something, that's one of the things I do. I'm going to order mine for this one. We'll do a video for that one too, so you guys can see what I'm talking about, where I'm going to order mine, how to put it on, how to get it there. Once you put the heat deflector on there, it's going to create a nice heat around the whole grill. It's going to be nice. And of course, this 30-pound hopper also has a lever in the back where you can drain your pellets, different flavor pellets. So it just makes it easier too. So that being said, I hope you guys liked this video. This was the Pit Boss Sportsman's Edition 1600. So there'll be a link in the description. You guys want to go check it out and read more that this has. This was just a quick look at what the grill has to offer. So make sure to hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, what are the features you guys want to see, focus on, and then we can also do that. But you'll be seeing a lot of this grill. It's a beast of a grill. It's a big grill. It's nice. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're pumping them out this month, and especially the fall. I'll see you guys next time.